Hey guys, it's Big C. Just got the Panini signatures out. Going ahead and start the box breaks. It's 7:39, November 14th. We will do the one that ended Sunday night first, 11/11. So here are the two boxes. I'll show the sign-up sheet first. 2012 Panini Signature Football, two-box break, ending 11/11. And here is the sheet. These ought to be short and sweet. It's one pack, 4 cards. And then the last row. Looks like the Rams, Cardinals, Saints, Falcons, Panthers, Chiefs, and Bills did not sell. And real quick, there is the number. Looks like 631 on that one. And 962 on that one, or 862. I think I told everybody that emailed 962 though. So here we go. So good luck to everybody. We'll go ahead and cut these open. Here's one pack. And here's 2 packs. These are both empty too, by the way. That's all there is. Excuse me. Alright, here we go. Short and sweet videos here. These should be pretty quick. In fact, I don't know. Four cards. Alright, we'll go with the first one's Eli Manning, $4.99 for the Giants. That would be Toys in the Attic. And all these are a little bit damaged there on the corner. I don't know if you can see that. So we got Eli Manning, Fran Tarkenton for the Vikings, Litchfield, Sean McClellan for the Bears, which would be C. Martin, 3611. And the last one is Arian Foster, numbered out of $4.99 for the Texans, which would be Government Grant. There is pack 1. And then here we go with pack 2. These are a little better, but they're still a little dinged up. Rashard Mendenhall for the Steelers, Litchfield. Prime rookie, prime proof, Keyshawn Johnson, 4/99 for the Bucks. That would be Litchfield also. DeVar Posey for the Texans, 108/199, which would be Government Grant. And Jason Witten for the Cowboys, be Toys in the Attic. So there you have it. That's the first break. This is the break that ended on Sunday, so I'll be right back with the break that ended last night. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.